Doc? Doc? Hope you know what you're doing. You talking to me? You talking to me, Tannen? Well, I'm the only one here. Go ahead. Make my day.
Say good morning, Mr. Eastwood.
Morning.
Have a cigar, Mr. Eastwood. Anything I can do for you today, Mr. Eastwood?
No, it's fine. I don't...
Good luck tomorrow, Mr. Eastwood. We'll be praying for you.
Thanks.
Good morning, Mr. Eastwood. Interest you in a new suit for tomorrow?
I'm fine. Thanks. Doc, what are you doing?
Oh, nothing. I'm just out enjoying the morning air. It's really lovely here in the morning, don't you think?
Yeah, it's lovely, Doc. Listen, we're gonna load the DeLorean up and get ready to roll, all right? Hey, look at that, the tombstone.
Marty, let me see that photograph again. My name, it's vanished.
Hey, that's great, Doc. Don't you get it? We're going back to the future tomorrow, so everything's being erased.
But only my name is erased. The tombstone itself and the dates still remain. That doesn't make sense. We know that this photograph represents what will happen if the events of today continue to run their course into tomorrow.
Right, so?
Excuse me, Mr. Eastwood. I just need to take your measurement.
Oh, look, pal, I don't want to buy a suit.
No, this is for your coffin.
My coffin?
Well, the odds are running 2 to 1 against you. Might as well be prepared.
So, it may not be my name that's supposed to end up on this tombstone. It may be yours.
Great Scott.
I know, this is heavy. Marty, why are you wearing that gun? You're not considering going up against Tannen tomorrow.
Doc, tomorrow morning I'm going back to the future with you. But if Buford Tannen comes looking for trouble, I'm gonna be ready for him. You heard what that son of a bitch called me last night?
Marty, you can't go losing your judgment every time someone calls you a name. That's exactly what causes you to get into that accident in the future.
What? What about my future?
I can't tell you. It might make things worse.
Wait a minute, Doc. What is wrong with my future?
Marty, we all have to make decisions that affect the course of our lives. You've got to do what you've got to do. And I've got to do what I've got to do.